Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you the new feature on the current page called, another hidden field with the new feature called current page. And what this does, it will display the FT value of that page into a hidden field, and then you can use it to manipulate your form in terms of different navigations that are possible. So to demonstrate this, what I'll do is I'll get a hidden field on page 1. So I've got two pages here. I've got page 1, and then I've got hidden here on page 2, just called page 2. Okay, and then once you've got this, essentially what it means is this. So let's say if I click on this field here, and then I'll go system value, and I choose current page for this one, and then same for this one over here. Current page, where are you? There you are. Okay, so now look what happens if I preview. You'll see that, look, it's got a value and they're called FLD39. Well, where is that value come from? I'll show you where it's come from. If I click on this page break here, you see this FLD39. Essentially, in a page break, a page doesn't mean it's 1, 2, or 3 unless you're actually using the buttons. However, if you want to move them from one page to another, you have to use what's called an FT value, or FLD in that case. In this case, this one's FLD39, but if I go next page, this becomes FLD55. So I'll demonstrate that now. So this is 39, and then, do you know what? Let me just enable this to go to the next page, so you'll see it. Go next. Okay, so. Alright, so let's refresh. Again, 39. If I go to the next page, you will see it's got FLD55. Okay, so what can you do with that? So here's what you can do with that. Let's say, hypothetically, I'll take another hidden field, and then I'll say page 2, and we'll give it a FLD55, just like we did, just like we're getting it over here on this page, FLD55. So I'll give it a default value of FLD55. Now what I'll do is I'll click this button and I'll say go to page, and then I'll choose this hidden field here, but I'll call it, we can call it next page hidden or something like that. So here I can now do next page hidden, and now look what happens when I go about going to the next page. If I click submit, it takes me to the next page because it recognizes that that's the value which is an FLD. So if you're ever confused about what page are you on, there are two ways to find this out. One, use a hidden field where you can use current page as a system value. Other than that, if you're in the builder, click on the page break itself and it will tell you the value at the top. And this is a great way if you want to set them up to go different pages using different kind of navigations that are possible. And that's how you do it.